Here's the finished bumper. Before putting it on, there's the new fog lights, and those are the ones from Amazon. Let me turn it over here, see the back side of it. Turn this all the way around. Show you the rest of the bumper here. Driver's side fog light. Alright, so there's the finished bumper. I'm ready to put it on the vehicle. My inner fender has not come in yet for the passenger side, so I'll be putting that on later. But I should be able to go ahead and put the bumper on. I don't know if the upper bumper has to be taken off in order to fit the new lower bumper on or not. We'll find out as we're trying to put it on, so that way we don't tear anything up while we're doing it. So I'm going to get started on that, probably take the camera over there and show you where the clips go and what you're looking for to get it all the way on. Start by putting the bumper on. Where it's going to go. Falling on you. Put the plastic pins in the back of this to hold it up. And try to hold it up. I'll put my 7mm on. These are the ones that screw into the inner fender. Just to hold it in place. I'm not going to tighten them down all the way. pry bar. And that side there still needs to be put up underneath the upper bumper. I'll work on that one here in a minute, but I want to get the other side on because there's no inner fender to hold it up on the passenger side, where the inner fender is holding it up on the driver's side. So I started getting the passenger side up right there. You can see that. And here's what I'm doing on the passenger side. You see these holes right here? Those are all what these clips there go into. We've got one right here. We've got to get the back side, the flat side that's got the hole in it, behind the bumper, and then this piece right here through this bumper and then through that back there. We've got clips all the way around. So I'll get to work on that. I don't know where I got these pry bars at. They're made for doing trim. Probably got them off Amazon. That's about where everything I get comes from now. Let's push that in. I think that side's done. I'll move over to the other side. We'll do the same thing we did on the other side here. Pry the bumper out some. Maybe. There we go. Prying it out enough that we get the clips over it. They'll fall into the holes. Clip there doesn't want to pop in. I'll crawl underneath and get it. Right, so we're underneath now. This plug right here is your fog light. There's the cord for it. And that one that's giving me problems is right there. So I'll work on pushing it in from the back side here. While we're down here, I'll move this camera over. On the back side of your shroud. Right, so while you're underneath the shroud, I'll show you where these go. You've got a hole right there, and these are what was on the bottom of the bumper. Got one hole right there, and I've already got a clip in over there. This middle hole is the middle hole for your clip on the shroud, and then you've got another hole over here for the right hand side clip on the shroud. I didn't take loose the left hand side because I can get to all this stuff without opening it up. I'll get these on. Alright, so we're still underneath. Here's our shroud right here. There's the clip on the front of the bumper that goes into the grill. And the last clips that were hard to get off to begin with, right over here. If you remember those from the first video. And there's 4 of them. Those are easier to get to from the bottom side down here. So we'll get those on. Here's our finished product. Got our fog lights in. Got the bumper on. I'll show you this paint from SEM did not quite match the factory. I think the paint on the vehicle's sun faded. It is always parked outside. I'll show you the other side here. It's not just one side. It's all the way around.